Navigating Tascus Basics, Part 1 of 10.
Hello and welcome. My name is Alicia and I am part of the Tascus customer support team. In this training video, I aim to make your experience using Tascus easy and smooth. So let's dive in and learn the basics of navigating the features within Tascus together.
Once you have loaded Tascus, you will be presented with the login feature. Click Login to enter your username and password. Select Username to load all the users that have been set up, and enter your password if required. Now that you have logged in, you will be presented with a range of Tascus features to get started. In the top left, you will find the menu bar, which user is logged in, and the version of Tascus you are running. On the right, you will find the home icon and the Tascus icon, which loads settings and more. Click Start Production to start running an operation. The sequence editor allows you to create, edit, and view a sequence. This is also where you can load manufacturing routings, part numbers, and operations. Work orders is where you can search for specific production orders, giving you the ability to filter your searches to find specific orders by part number, production status, date, locations, and more. The other options available in the boxes are subject to which user is logged in and what their permissions may be. Often, these features include commonly used reports within Tascus. Use the Tascus icon to find settings, help options, trial run a sequence, and more. On the left, you will find the version of Tascus that your device is running, which user is logged in, and a menu bar which features Edit, Status, View, Reports, and Devices. Edit enables you to check and configure site licenses and provides quick access to sequence editor and settings. Status is where you can check the open status log, which informs you of Tascus activity from updates to errors. View will take you to test a step and allows you to go through diagnostics from digital inputs and analog outputs. The Reports option will give you the entire list of reports offered within Tascus to give you quality through the manufacturing process at all times. This list varies depending on which user is permitted to which reports. Finally, Devices offers configuration and diagnostic testing where needed. In the next video, we will go through how to use the sequence editor, including how to navigate and use features within the sequence editor, and also creating a production sequence.